Hey, this is Tristan, an intern here at Escape Room Techs, and I'm going to be showing off our new Safe Prop, which is driven by the FX18 expansion controller. So what are the advantages of this prop? Well, the whole operation is controlled by the BAC controller and the FX45 expander, which allows the prop to be manually controlled and monitored throughout a session, which will prevent you from being locked out, and it will reset automatically. Multiple solve codes and event sequences can be used at the same time, and through the BAC controller, this safe can interact with a number of different devices. For example, one code might unlock the safe, while another could provide a hint. Really, the sky's the limit with these, and you can configure them to be as simple or as complex as they need to be. This FX45 here actually controls the neopixels and sets it so when entering a sequence, it changes color, and again, when the solution is found. Now, taking a look inside, keep in mind that this will come with a casing that hides the electronics, but for the purposes of this demonstration, it's left exposed. Here's the FX18, which reads the keypad, and next to it is the solenoid, which allows you to open and close the safe. Now here in the BAC Manager, I'm just going to go over some ways you can set this up pretty simply. Here on the game page, we have multiple solutions, the codes for those solutions, and what events are triggered off those solutions. So if we check our events, we can see here that the solve function is actually calling to another function. And we can have plenty of these actions per function, but let's check our custom functions and see what's going on. Now with this custom event, keypad solve, you see we're activating the solenoid, allowing us to open the safe, changing the neopixels to green, waiting a bit, and then activating the solenoid again to lock. And then we're resetting it so we can do it all over again. Now, it's important to remember that solenoids can only be activated for just a few seconds. You don't want to go too long or else it will burn out. The Safe Prop can be bought standalone, of course coming with the FX18, or you can buy it alongside the BAC controller and the FX45. And you can also upgrade the BAC controller to have onboard audio.